Alright, what's up people? Welcome back. So today we're going to make a little video and we're going to talk about how stupid I am. So maybe not stupid, but we're going to talk about something, and I like to do this in videos when I make mistakes and I like to share them, and some of you guys like that stuff. So some of you guys like this stuff because one, you like to see me look stupid and that makes you feel good, which I'm fine with that. It works. Two, because you like to see me be transparent. Whether I make mistakes, I don't make mistakes, I share a lot of the stuff. I try to share everything that I can. So you guys like to see me be transparent, so that's what I'm doing. Some of you guys like that stuff. And three, when I make mistakes and I share the mistakes, a lot of times it ends up helping people and it keeps them from doing the same thing. So this one's a little bit silly, and I just noticed it. I realized it tonight, and you guys are going to laugh. This is kind of funny. So let me share it with you. All right, so let's go over to the Mustang here. And we got everything golden. Everything's running just fine, except something triggered my brain today, and I saw that this spark plug wire was sitting over here like this. And I really wondered how long it was like that. So what I did was I pulled that spark plug out, and then I pulled that spark plug out, and they looked a little bit different. So then I started to reference some videos. And this is what I really like about making videos, because you can reference everything that you did as long as you were recording it. And if there's ever a question, if you did something right or wrong, you'll know if you did it or not. So I'm gonna put the screenshots up. I have some screenshots on my phone. I'm gonna put the screenshots up on the video as I go through them. So the first one that I have is so this is the playlist as I have it, as I made the videos, 1, 2, and 3. And then I also have a fourth video. So I'll put that up, and then I'm gonna go through what 1, 2, 3, and 4 are. Number 1 is the electrical issues video, and you can see above my finger there, I have it circled. That spark plug wire is on. I don't know if you can see it on the video. The spark plug wire is there. So if I go over to number 2, Turbo Fox body update, you can see that the spark plug wire is not on. So if you reference the video series, maybe I can just show it on here. I might not even need to do it. So video 1 to video 2, the video in between that, can I even show you guys this? Does this work? Video 1 to video 2 was the first drive on the channel with this car. So I did the first drive, and then I came back, checked the spark plugs, and that is my go-to spark plug, the number 3 spark plug. And I must not have put the wire back on. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So if we look at this video here, mini rips in the scrap stang, you can see the spark plug wire is not on. I have it circled there. It's not on. Then if we look at the mini rips in the scrap stang, that is the number 3 video. So basically what it looks like is I got it running, took it for a drive here, took the spark plug wire off, never put it back on, and I was just driving it like that. But, guys, the really disappointing part is I didn't notice it until today. And I'll show you a video. Another screenshot. Let's look at this. First track day, low boost. Kind of hard to see, but you can see the spark plug wire is off. And this is on the first track day video. So I made a mistake here. Took it out for a drive. I like to check spark plugs, and what I think happened in my mind was just took it off to check the plug. That's the plug I normally check, and I didn't put it back on. And then I started working on the auction truck. If you look at the video playlist, started working on the auction truck, just got distracted, and then I was rushing to get this thing. It was very hasty to try to get this thing to the track. Didn't even know if I was gonna get it to the track. So it was kind of like up in the air. And then miraculously the weather was good and that track was open. So I threw it on a trailer and took it there and just didn't check stuff. So, but I know that it trapped 118 with 7 cylinders, I guess. So maybe that's a good thing. And I verified it today, and I plugged that wire in, started it, and it was like a 10-2 air-fuel ratio. So when I was tuning it at the track and it was a 12.5, it was probably more like an 11 or 11.5 or something. Yeah, that's about it. Just thought I'd share. Don't do that.